In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Adobe Photoshop with ChatGPT in just a few simple steps. This is a great setup if you want to speed up your creative workflow, explore AI-assisted design, and make it easier to use ChatGPT alongside Photoshop. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open ChatGPT in your browser. Once you're on the main page, look to the left side menu and click on More. This is where ChatGPT hides additional options and integrations, so don't worry if you don't see it right away. After that, click on Apps. This will take you into the app directory, where you can browse different connected tools and integrations available for ChatGPT. From here, you'll want to find Adobe Photoshop. You can either scroll through the list or use the search option if it appears on your screen. Once you see Adobe Photoshop, click on it to open the connector page. This is the place where ChatGPT lets you link the app so the two platforms can work together. On the Adobe Photoshop page, look for the Connect button and click it. You may be prompted again to confirm the connection, so click Connect one more time if needed. This second confirmation step is normal and helps authorize the link between your ChatGPT account and Adobe Photoshop. Make sure you read any permission request before continuing. After the connection is approved, ChatGPT should now be linked with Adobe Photoshop. At that point, you can start exploring how the integration works and use it as part of your creative workflow. Depending on your setup, this may help you move between AI assistants and image editing more smoothly. If you ever need to manage your connected apps later, you can return to the Apps section inside ChatGPT and review your active connections there. That makes it easy to keep everything organized and disconnect anything you no longer want to use. And that's it. You've successfully connected Adobe Photoshop with ChatGPT. It only takes a moment, but it can save you time and make your editing workflow much more efficient. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.